Okay guys, so sorry I lost recording there for a minute, so I'm gonna jump right into it and open this up. I will post a clip also as to how I style it. Okay guys, so looking at this in the online product, it looked really nice. I'm hoping that it has the fluffiness that I want and the product comes out the way I'm hoping. The reviews were great. Okay, this is a little odd. This is a, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a stick, and I was assuming the pampas grass would be attached to the stick. So I'm not sure what's going on. Another thing is I order so much stuff, I'm assuming it's the pampas grass. That would be funny. It is, guys. They packaged it well. I'm having such a hard time because they actually taped it to the inside of the box by the stick to make sure that it did not move. So, there we go. Yeah, so it's taped down at the bottom here. And as you can see, guys, I think these were 24 to 28 inches long. I can't remember the description, but I will show you guys. And these look like they are going to be pretty fluffy here. Yeah, they are. They are thick, guys. They're nice and fluffy. They are having a little bit of shedding. Okay. And I guess this would be expected when you first open them. But they are thick. They look like cotton bales. I don't know if you guys can see that. But they are pretty thick. And I think I got 5 stems. So, once I get them styled, guys, I'll let you all see how it goes. They do actually have some bend to them. So, you can bend them a little bit to style them. So I'll let you guys see a clip here at the end. I've got to make sure I got the right size vase for them. And yeah, they're cute. So if you're looking for pampas grass, I'll drop the description down below. All right, guys, here we go. I said I would do an end product of the pampas grass that I ordered. And it actually turned out really nice, guys. So if you guys can see, it's so soft and fluffy, has a very nice look to it, soft, elegant feel. I found this vase at Ross to put it in, and I think it holds it well. I will say this pampas grass came from Etsy. I'll post the link in the description box, but it is very, very delicate. It does shed a little bit, not too bad, but it's very delicate. So when you pull the tiers and the branches to fluff it, you have to be extremely careful because it will break them. And I think that's just a part of pampas grass itself. It's a delicate stem, so you just have to be really careful with it. But I actually like it. I feel like it came out really, really nice, guys. So it gives my backdrop a total different look. And I think I'm going to enjoy it. So if you're interested in purchasing, I will put the link below. I was not sponsored by anyone. This is something I purchased myself. I think they did run a little over $30, actually almost $40, because I ordered 5 stems. You can do 3 stems if you want to do a smaller vase. But let me know how you like it down below. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.